Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add dependencies in Monday.com. First, open the board where you want to set up dependencies. Click the plus icon to the right of your last column. Search for dependency and add it. Note that you can add only one dependency column per board. Once added, a window will pop up letting you choose your dependency mode, whether it be flexible, strict, or no action, and select which time column, like date or timeline your dependencies will use. Then click Save. To link tasks, click a cell in the dependency column on the dependent item. Then use the drop-down to select the item it depends on. You can search by item name or ID. When you change the date or timeline of the parent task, the dependent task will automatically adjust based on the mode you chose. For example, in strict mode, all linked tasks shift together. And that's how you add dependencies in Monday.com. Thanks for watching.